on behalf of Turbulent Academy, and I welcome you all to a new series of videos in the GATE solved papers criteria. Okay, many people would have seen a lot of GATE solved papers, and they would have lots of doubts, and they'll try to buy many solved paper books which is available in the market. So this is going to be an exclusive in an aspect that we are going to solve the questions in maximum of 3 ways possible, if it's so, even more than that if it allows, okay, depending upon the question type. So we'll solve it in many ways possible, and we are going to go as usual topic wise. Okay, so we'll go by topic wise, and we are going to start with, as usual, core subject engineering mechanics with trusses and frames problem. Okay, so this one thing we'll have to keep it in mind. So without wasting time, right away we'll go into the video. So this is going to be like just like a solved paper videos. Okay, so you'd have all the problems in the workbook which we are going to give you. This workbook will be available to you in the description. You can download it from the description, and just give a like if you want to say thanks to me. Just give a like and share it if you want to say thanks, and we'll go ahead with these things, and this is going to be given to you by Turbulent Academy. So this is the first question from the trusses and frames. We'll start from the older GATE papers, and we'll go into the newer GATE papers up to GATE 2020, because you might feel what is the level of difficulty, level of complication they have set for us, so that we would expect few questions in the upcoming exams. Okay, so now we'll go into it. This is GATE 1995 paper. If you could see it over here, this is GATE 1995. A spring scale indicates a tension T in the right hand cable of the pulley system shown in the figure below. Okay, so it indicates a tension T over here. Okay, neglecting the mass of the pulleys and ignoring the friction between the cable and the pulley, the mass M. They are asking what is the mass M. Okay, so if something is related to mass M and they are asked a few things on it, so we can very well go ahead with drawing a free body diagram for mass M, and we can go ahead. So first I'll try to draw it actually, and this is going to be mass M now. Okay, so fine. So I'll just draw. So this is mass M. Now let me write M over here. So what we'll have is mg over here. Okay, now they have indicated, I'll just draw the diagram because they have not given tension T, but in the exact question they have given tension T. Okay, okay. So likewise, it's not to scale, just for the sake of understanding. Okay guys, okay, so this comes like this, and this goes like this, and this goes like this, and this goes like this. They have given T over here, so T is over here. They have given 2T over here, and there is a spring scale here which is marked T. Okay, if you are about to draw a free body diagram in this, so this will be mass M, and the weight it acts below is actually mg. And if you could draw the upward forces, which is T over here, and this is 2T over here, and they have given T over here, T over here, that's why we have written it as 2T. Okay, and the next thing is actually spring scale indicates T. So just by having the equilibrium condition, summation of vertical forces is equal to 0. So this is going to give us mg is equal to, or I could write it in an equation, then I could go ahead. So first is minus mg because it is going down. Okay, so plus T plus 2T plus T equal to 0. Okay, so now once this is done, I could take minus on that side, so it will be T plus 2T plus T, which is 4T. 4T equal to mg, and as a result T is going to be mg by 4, and they have asked for M, right? Okay, sorry. So M is going to be 4T by g. Okay, so this is going to be the final answer. Since this is very simple, just drawing the free body diagram and using a equilibrium condition. Okay, so this is going to serve the purpose, which is really easy. Okay, so we can solve it in the single step itself. This is the first question from GATE 1995. Okay, so if you have any doubts, post it in the comment section. We'll be able to answer it for you. And this was from IIT Kanpur. So we'll know what kind of IIT sets, what type of questions. We have seen lots of important topic videos also. You could even see that if possible. And if you have any doubts, post it in the description. Thank you, students.